She's going all the way up.
That's because she put her tail down in it.
Mm-hmm. She keeps yawning. Didn't that website say that yawning a lot is like a sign of imminent birth?
I don't know.
That may have been a cough and contraction combined.